Welcome to Holme Valley Caravan and Camping Park. Dark now, isn't it? I'll do it anyway. So Holme Valley Camping and Caravan Park is situated directly off the A6024, which is located just over a mile away from the picturesque village of Holmfirth. Now, anyone of a certain generation, much like myself, will know that Holmfirth has been made very famous for a very popular and long-running TV series in the UK done by the BBC called Last of the Summer Wine. I pretty much grew up watching probably almost all of the episodes of Last of the Summer Wine, although the last one to be aired was in 2010. Now, of course, with the series there are many famous spots within Holmfirth that people like to go and visit, including, of course, Sid's Caff, and the famous steps that Nora Batty would normally be brushing, sweeping with a broom, or sweeping people out of her house. Well, you can walk to the town of Holmfirth in about 30 minutes, or there is a bus stop directly outside the entrance. So what does Holme Valley have to offer? Well, there's a various array of plots available at Holme Valley, including the one that we are on, which is hard standing with electric. They have a new award-winning facilities block, and we'll put that in the video now. They also offer glamping pods and a geodome. Now, at the time of filming this, I'm unaware whether Wi-Fi is available on this site, but by the time of edit I will have checked that out, and I will put that in the information bar at the bottom of this video. There will be links to Holme Valley Camping and Caravan Park in the description below the video. There is a kiddies play park, and as you can see, our children are currently testing the facilities out. As you can see, there's a number of grass pitches available. Now, we are located on our own little piece of decking, literally on the edge of this beautiful pond. Just there. Quite obviously bins. Fresh water tap. All the doors have a passcode. You have to sort of light the screen up and then enter the number. One laundry room and some books to read. It's a different number for the ladies and a different number again for the gents' toilets. And one Elson point with a little sink to wash your hands. We've currently got a one-way system now because of the old Rona virus. Now, depending on the plot, and of course we're overlooking the pond, there's also a stream or river running along the back of the campsite. In case I haven't said this before, everyone, this campsite is deep down in what I'd call a valley, but what it's not good for is TV reception. So if you go on holiday in your van to get away from TV, this is fantastic. But if you love TV, I think you need to bring some DVDs or a better aerial than we've got. So I think we'll end the video there, everyone. No, we won't. I think Fran's going for the modern Nora Batty look, everyone. So, like in this video, I'm having one of those moments that's making me think, sitting here, comfortable, relaxed, overlooking a pond with nothing but birds in the trees and ducks on the water, that this van life thing is actually really rather good. And if you're not currently doing it but you're considering it, we would definitely recommend giving it a go. Now, as always, of course, I'm now going to say, if you found the video informative, please consider giving it the thumbs up. It really does help us. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, you do know it's free to subscribe, don't you? And you can then follow us on all our journeys and the many campsite reviews that we'll be doing in the future. So why don't you just go and hit that subscribe button? It'll be in a few seconds at the end of the video. See you soon. So obviously we can see here there are some glass, I'll do that again, glass pitches. I'm unaware of a site that offers glass pitches.